Hi, this is Home's Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about making music and want the best tools to bring your creative visions to life, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best PCs for music production. These powerful machines are perfect for handling complex audio projects and running the latest music production software. Whether you're a professional producer or just starting out, you won't want to miss this list. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the best PCs for your music journey. Check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC Desktop delivers exceptional performance for gamers and music producers alike. Equipped with an Intel Core i5-13400F 2.5 GHz processor, boosts up to 4.6 GHz, this PC ensures smooth multitasking and fast processing. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GDDR6 graphics card offers stunning visuals and seamless gameplay. With a 1TB NVMe SSD, experience lightning-fast load times and ample storage for all your projects. The 16GB DDR4 RAM 3200 with heat spreader enhances performance and stability, making it ideal for demanding music production software. Connectivity is a breeze with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and a variety of USB ports. The system features 4 RGB fans for optimal cooling and comes in a sleek Skytech Nebula Black Edition with a front mesh design. Enjoy a bloatware-free Windows 11 Home 64-bit experience, complete with HD audio and mic support. Additionally, the package includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse. Assembled in the USA, this PC is backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, making it a reliable choice for both gaming and music production. Number 2. SDG Albron Gaming Desktop PC, a powerhouse designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Boasting an Intel Xeon E5 3.0 GHz 4-core processor and 16GB of RAM, this system delivers robust performance ideal for intensive tasks like music production. The 512GB SSD ensures rapid boot times and ample storage for large audio projects, while the AMD Radeon RX 554G GDDR5 graphics card supports smooth visuals across dual monitors via HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI connections. Enhanced by 3 RGB fans for optimal cooling, this PC also features 600M Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity. Included are an RGB keyboard, mouse, and mouse pad, offering both style and functionality. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty with free lifetime tech support, the SDG Albron Gaming Desktop PC stands out as the best PC for music production, combining powerful hardware with essential peripherals for a complete studio setup. Ideal for musicians and audio engineers, it ensures reliability and performance for creating and editing music without compromise. Number 3. Alienware Aurora R16 Gaming Desktop, designed for peak performance and seamless gaming experiences. Powered by the Intel Core i7-14700F processor and 16GB of DDR5 RAM, this system excels in multitasking and high-demand applications like music production. Its efficient airflow design enhances cooling, ensuring quieter operation even during intense sessions. With 12-phase voltage regulation, the R16 delivers sustained power for prolonged gaming or music creation without compromising performance. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068GB GDDR6 graphics card provides stunning visuals, perfect for both gaming and video editing tasks. The sleek Legend 3 design is not only compact but also 20% quieter and 7% cooler than its predecessors, ideal for a focused and quiet studio environment. Control your setup effortlessly with the Alienware Command Center, allowing customization of lighting and system settings. Backed by Dell's 1-year on-site service, it ensures peace of mind with comprehensive support wherever you need it. Whether you're producing music or engaging in intense gaming sessions, the Alienware Aurora R16 sets a new standard in performance and reliability. Number 4. ViperTech Rebel 4.0 Gaming PC, a powerhouse designed for creators and gamers alike. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 2700 processor with turbo speeds up to 4.1 GHz and an RTX 4068 GB graphics card, this PC ensures smooth performance for intensive tasks like music production, streaming, and 4K gaming. With 32 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM and a lightning-fast 1 TB NVMe SSD, boot-up times are reduced to mere seconds, offering ample space and speed for large music projects and multimedia tasks. The RGB lighting system not only enhances aesthetics but also provides customization options to match your setup. Built in the USA and rigorously tested, each ViperTech PC includes a free 1-year warranty, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. Ideal for professionals seeking optimal performance in music production and demanding applications, this PC handles multitasking effortlessly while maintaining high FPS and graphical fidelity. Whether you're editing tracks, producing videos, or immersing yourself in virtual reality, the ViperTech Rebel 4.0 gaming PC delivers unparalleled performance and reliability, making it the best choice for serious creators. Number 5. Dell Precision 3620/T3620 Music Production Workstation PC, a powerhouse tailored for the best PC for music production enthusiasts. Featuring an Intel i7-6700 4-core 3.4 GHz processor with turbo boost up to 4.0 GHz, this renewed workstation delivers exceptional performance for demanding audio tasks. Boasting 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a combination of a speedy 512 GB SSD for booting and a capacious 2 TB HDD for extensive storage, it ensures rapid access to large sample libraries and project files. The inclusion of Intel HD Graphics 530 with dual DisplayPort and HDMI outputs supports multiple monitors, enhancing workflow efficiency. Running Windows 10 Professional 64-bit, it offers robust security and management features ideal for professional environments. Whether you're editing tracks, mixing, or mastering, the Dell Precision 3620/T3620 excels with its reliable performance, ample storage, and versatile connectivity, making it an excellent choice for music producers aiming for seamless creativity and productivity in their studio setups. In conclusion, choosing the best PC for music production hinges on balancing power, efficiency, and compatibility with your specific needs. Whether you prioritize processing speed, RAM capacity, or software compatibility, today's market offers a range of options to suit every budget and requirement. Remember to explore reviews and user feedback to make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos. Happy producing!